Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making star shortbread Linzer cookies for New Year's Eve. Now for those of you who follow me, I made a shortbread Toblerone cookie a couple weeks back. This is the exact same recipe, except we're going to roll this dough out this time and make it fancy for New Year's Eve. So first things first, you're going to need a cup of unsalted butter. You're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla paste or vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of white rice flour, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, which I have already combined in this bowl. You're going to need some strawberry jam. You don't need to use strawberry. Strawberry is just my preference. You can use whatever you desire. And then you're going to need some cookie cutters. I have star cookie cutters and a circle. Circle desserts are important for New Year's because that just means your fortune comes in full circle. Now I'm going to link the Toblerone shortbread cookie video right up at the top of the screen right now. If you want to see that video, those cookies are delectable. These cookies will be equally as delicious. So just in case you want to catch that video and get the full description of how I made this dough. So now that your butter and sugar and vanilla extract are fully incorporated, you can go ahead and add your flours, the white rice flour and AP flour, and you're going to want to start on a low speed and gradually increase that speed once you see that the flours have been a little more absorbed by the butter. You're just going to continue mixing this dough until you see that it fully comes together and the sides of your bowl are pretty clean. Since we're rolling the dough out, you're going to want to prepare some saran wrap and roll the dough into a disc, wrap it up and put it in the fridge for roughly about 10 minutes, maybe 15, not for too long. You don't want it to get too solid. Now we've reached the real business of this video. And now it's time to finesse these cookies into beautiful Linzer stars. you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give these cookies a try. They are going to be stunning at any New Year's Eve table. Thanks again for watching. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you can keep up with all my latest videos. Have a safe and happy New Year, everyone, and I'll see you in 2023. Bye.